Hey, welcome back to NoCodeMinute. Let's dive right in and help you with some simple error checking in Bubble. When we have inputs on a screen and press a button, we want to save these inputs values into our database. But what if we have it set up like this? Take a look. Email, password, I'm not going to put anything in there. Try to log in. Oh, it actually saved the inputs. So I want to prevent this, because we just saved empty fields into our database. Maybe we don't want to do that. Let's say for something that are required fields, like a login screen. All you have to do is go to each input. I'll show you here. Just go to the email and check this input should not be empty. Make sure our content format is correct. Click on both of those. Let's go back and test it. So let's refresh the page. Click login. Now it's not letting me because I don't have those inputs filled out. So that's so much better. This is the simplest way to error check your workflows to make sure you have the data you want going into your database. That's your No Code Minute for today. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe.